This tutorial will show you how to assign specific books and activities to students on your roster in Raz-Kids. So from your student management dashboard, you will want to head up to the top left-hand corner and click on Raz Plus. Now there are many ways in which you can assign content to your students, but this is the most straightforward way for a beginner user in Raz-Kids. You will want to access resources, and in the drop-down box, you'll notice that you will have access to different ways of seeing all the books in Raz-Kids. So if you select all leveled books, but you can, if you're specifically focused on finding fiction books or nonfiction books, it's your choice as to how you want to look at these books. So I'm going to click on all leveled books for the purpose of this tutorial. And then I can also filter more specifically based on all these criteria. And if I'm looking for a specific level, level D, let's say, it will return all level D books. And when I hover over a book, I will be able to click on the word assign. And from there, I can decide what is it that I want to assign with this book. Do I just want a student to listen? Then I would uncheck read and quiz. But if I want to have them also read the book and complete a quiz, I would check the box for quiz. And then here I can select all my students. I could deselect all my students, or I could specifically pick certain students that would get the assigned book. And then once I'm all done, I would click the green Assign button. The student will then be notified that they have an assignment and that they need to read a specific book for that day.